Good day, everyone. Today we are here to discuss a critical issue that threatens the diversity of life on our planet, the habitat loss and the destruction. We will explore the definition of biodiversity, the importance of protecting it, the cause and effects of habitat loss, and the possible solution that we all contribute to. Definition and importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is a natural world around us, encompassing the variety of organisms that live on our planet: plants, animals, insects, and microorganisms. They all work together in ecosystem to maintain and support life on Earth. Biodiversity is not just something nice to look at, it is vital for our survival. Why is important protecting biodiversity so important? Biodiversity is one of the most precious and important things we have. We tend to think of it as something that is just nice to look at and enjoy spending time in, but it's actually so much more. Without biodiversity, our entire support system for humans as well as animals' life would collapse.
Next is the introduction to the threat. Habitat loss and destruction. Habitat loss and destruction is one of the biggest threats to biodiversity. It refers to the process where a natural habitat becomes incapable of supporting its native species. The organisms that previously inhabited the area are displaced or die, which result in a reduction in biodiversity. The loss of habitats is happening at an alarming rate, making it critical issue that needs immediate attention. Protecting and conserving our natural habitat is not just about preserving beautiful spaces. It's about ensuring the survival of the diverse life forms on Earth.
Elaborations and habitat loss and destructions. Explanations of habitat loss and destructions. By definitions, habitat loss is also known as habitat destructions and is occurred when we destroy the natural shelters that are home to wildlife. Habitat loss and destructions refers to the process in which a natural environment or habitat becomes incapable of supporting the species that live there.
Causes of habitat loss and destruction. Knowing that the death of wildlife and negative environmental impact results from habitat loss, it's reasonable to question why we continue to carry on habits that destroy biodiversity. There are several major causes of habitat loss and destruction. First one is deforestation. The clearing of forests for various purposes, including logging, agriculture, and urban expansion, is a significant causes of habitat loss. Trees are cut down, leading to the destruction of entire ecosystem and the displacement of countless species. Second one is urbanization. The growth of cities and towns often come at the expense of natural habitat. Third one is agriculture. The conversion of natural habitats such as forest and grassland into agricultural land is a major driver of habitat loss.
Number four is a mining. Extractive industries such as mining for minerals and fossil fuels. Mining's operations often involve clearing vegetations, excavating land, and polluting water sources, leading to the loss of habitat and displacement of species. Number five, infrastructure development. The construction of roads, highway, dams, and other infrastructure projects can result in the destructions of natural habitats. These projects often involve clearing land, altering waterways, and fragmenting ecosystems. Number six is climate change. The changing climate is also contributing to the habitat loss and destructions. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events can disrupt ecosystems.
Effects of habitat loss and destruction. As we make more room for people, we often overlook the homes that are being destroyed in the process. Extinction of some species. Habitat destruction is the leading cause of extinction for various species and is the reason many animals are endangered. Number two is increased stress on wildlife. When preparing land for homes and buildings, it's necessary to ensure a level surface for stability and extraction process. Exposes wildlife to unpleasant conditions. In adverse weather conditions, natural shelters serve a role to human homes, offering protection for storms, heavy rain, and extreme temperature. Impoverishes soil quality. Many plants can no longer grow because the composition soil quality is instantly changed, taking away the nutrients and space plants need to grow. Number six is it exacerbates global warming and climate change. The more trees that are cut down, the more carbon dioxide goes into the air, and that causes the earth to make quickly.
The possible solution to habitat loss and destructions. Here are some possible solutions to address habitat loss and destructions. First is appreciating the value of natural resources. Increasing the awareness and understanding of the value of natural resources and the service provided by the healthy ecosystem can help foster a sense of stewardship. Education and outreach program can promote the importance of biodiversity, conservation, and need to protect habitats.
The second is promoting sustainable practices, encouraging sustainable practices in various sectors such as agriculture, forestry, and fisheries can minimize habitat destruction. This includes promoting practices like agroforestry, organic farming, sustainable logging, and responsible fishing methods that reduce the impact on habitats and biodiversity.
The next is establishing protected areas. Creating protected areas such as national parks, wildlife reserves, and marine protected areas can help safeguard habitats and the species that depend on them. These areas provide legal protection and management strategies to ensure the preservation of critical ecosystems.
Number four is reforestation and restoration of damaged ecosystems. Initiating reforestation efforts and restoring damaged ecosystem can help recover habitats that have been lost or degraded. Planting trees, restoring wetlands, and rehabilitating degraded land can bring back essential habitat and support the recovery of biodiversity.
Number five is raise awareness on biodiversity. Increasing public awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the impacts of habitat loss is crucial. This can be done through education campaigns, community engagement, and media outreach. By fostering a sense of connections and responsibility towards nature, individuals and communities can contribute to the habitat conservation's effort.
Next is implementing and enforcing law and policies. Establishing and enforcing law and policies that protect habitats and biodiversity is essential. These include regulations against illegal logging, unsustainable land use practices, and habitat destructions. Governments and organizations can work together to ensure the compliance and promote responsible environmental practices. Next is climate change mitigation. Addressing climate change is vital in mitigating habitat loss and destruction. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy sources, and implementing climate change adaptation strategies, we can help preserve habitats and protect biodiversity from the adverse effects of a changing climate.
This solution required collaborations between governments, organizations, communities, and individuals to effectively address habitat loss and protect biodiversity for the future generations.
The recap of threats and solutions. Habitat loss and destruction pose a significant threat to biodiversity. It occurs when natural habitats are alternated or destroyed, leading to the displacement and extinction of species. However, there are several solutions to address this issue. Appreciating the value of natural resources, promoting sustainable practices, establishing protected areas, reforestation and restoration, raising awareness, implementing laws and policies, climate change mitigation.
Call to action for everyone to contribute to the preservation of biodiversity. Preserving biodiversity is a collective responsibility and each individual can make a difference. Here's a call to action for everyone. First, educate yourself. Learn about biodiversity. It's important and the threats it faces. Stay informed about current conservation efforts and initiatives. Second, support conservation organizations. Contribute to local and global organizations working toward biodiversity conservation through donations, volunteering, or spreading awareness about their work. Third, make sustainable choice. Says, adopt sustainable practices in your daily life, such as reducing waste, conserving water and energy, supporting sustainable agriculture, and choosing responsibly sourced products. Fourth, protecting local habitats. Get involved in local conservation efforts, such as participating in habitat restoration projects, joining community initiatives, or advocating for the protection of natural areas. Fifth, engage in citizen science. Contribute in scientific research and monitoring efforts by participating in citizen science projects that help collect data on biodiversity and habitat health. Six, spread awareness. Share your knowledge and passion for biodiversity conservation with friends, family, and your community. Encourage others to take action and make conscious choice that support biodiversity.
One of the threats of biodiversity is habitat loss and destruction.
I am Adrian Pagkaliwagan.
I'm Emeline Alvarillo.
I'm Joyce Maran Armagkamit.
I'm Joseph Oñonuevo.
I'm Regine M. Mayo.
I'm Ken Jessica Nobel.
Again, this is Group 1. Thank you.